Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms, which is ElevenLabs and TTSOpenAI. So to get started with a quick overview, ElevenLabs is a premium AI voice platform known for its ultra-realistic, emotional, expressive speech, powerful voice cloning, and support for multilingual narration used widely in media, notebooks, and gaming. Then talking about TTSOpenAI on the other side, is an OpenAI text-to-speech engine used in ChatGPT's voice mode and developers tools. It focused on human-like intonation, clarity, expressiveness, ideas for conversational AI and narration tasks. Now, talking about what these two platforms are best for. So, talking about ElevenLabs is best for content creator, publishing, developers needing a professional grade voiceover with emotional nuances and voice cloning. And here's the downside about this platform, which is ElevenLabs downside. The usage-based pricing can get costly. Also, its emotions is pre-baked or preset, not dynamically responsive. Now, I'm talking about the TTS OpenAI. It is best for developers, educators, and the businesses needing a conversational, natural voice synthetics for apps, assistants, and real-time narration. Now, on the other side, talking about the downside of this platform, it has a limited number of voices and language as of now. No voice cloning or long form narration tools is required. Is adapted to the features, and also it requires API setup or ChatGPT subscription for access. So talking about the overall conclusion about this platform, so if you need a AI voice cloning with emotional storytelling and a advanced voice-over tools for production quality content, just go for ElevenLabs. And on the other side, you can choose TTS OpenAI if you want expressive conversational AI voice for real-time apps narration or interactive assistance. So let me know in the comment section which of these two platforms would be a better option and a good choice for you to use. Thanks.